Today we're taking a deep dive into a true American luxury icon from the late 1980s, a car that represented comfort, status, and old-school elegance in its purest form. The 1987 Cadillac Brougham and its distinctive olive green finish is not just a vehicle, it's a statement from an era when driving was meant to feel like floating down the road in your own private lounge. Before SUVs took over luxury branding and before digital screens replaced craftsmanship, this Cadillac stood as one of the final chapters of traditional full-size American sedans. From the moment you first see it, the presence of the 1987 Cadillac Brougham is undeniable. The long, squared-off body lines immediately tell you this is a car built with one purpose in mind: comfort above everything else. The olive exterior paint adds a rare and classy twist to an already formal design. It's not a loud color, it doesn't scream for attention, but instead it pulls you in with a quiet confidence. Under sunlight, the olive tone shifts slightly, revealing subtle earthy reflections that highlight the chrome details around the grille, bumpers, and window trims. Those chrome accents are everywhere in the right way, framing the car like jewelry rather than decoration. Walking up to the front, you're greeted by that unmistakable Cadillac grille. Vertical bars, bold emblem in the center, and rectangular seal beam headlights that give it a composed and slightly aristocratic face. It doesn't look aggressive like modern cars, instead, it looks dignified, almost like it has seen decades of stories and still carries itself with pride. The hood stretches long and flat, reinforcing the classic American sedan proportions that prioritize smooth cruising over sporty aggression. Moving along the side profile, the Brougham feels like a land yacht in the best possible way. The body is long, straight, and uninterrupted, with minimal curves. The doors are wide, making entry and exit feel like stepping into a private room rather than a car. The olive green paint continues across the entire body, blending beautifully with the chrome trim strip that runs from front to rear. There's a sense of dignity in the proportions, as if the car is not trying to keep up with trends but instead stands firmly in its own identity. Even parked, it gives off a calm, composed energy that modern cars rarely replicate. At the rear, the design continues the same philosophy. Vertical tail lights frame the trunk, giving it a signature Cadillac look that's instantly recognizable even from a distance. The trunk lid is massive, offering practicality that matches the car's overall size. A subtle Cadillac emblem sits proudly at the center, reinforcing the heritage behind the badge. The chrome rear bumper ties everything together, reflecting the ground beneath it in a way that feels almost like a mirror of the road history this car has traveled. Interior. Now stepping inside the 1987 Cadillac Brougham is where the experience truly transforms. The olive green exterior theme continues into the cabin, creating a seamless visual connection between outside and inside. The moment you open the door, you're greeted with thick, soft seating that feels more like a sofa than a traditional car seat. The olive green leather or velour upholstery wraps around the seats, door panels, and even parts of the dashboard, creating a unified luxury atmosphere. This was an era where interior color coordination mattered deeply, and Cadillac executed it with confidence. The seats are wide, heavily cushioned, and designed for long-distance cruising. You don't sit in them, you sink into them. There's a sense of isolation from the outside world, almost like the car is designed to remove stress rather than add excitement. The dashboard is long and flat, with simple analog gauges that are easy to read and beautifully framed in classic Cadillac style. Wood trim accents, depending on the package, add warmth to the cabin, breaking up the green tones with a touch of traditional luxury. Everything inside feels intentional and spacious. The rear seats offer limousine-like legroom, making it clear that this car was built with passengers in mind just as much as the driver. Power windows, power locks, and climate controls reflect the advanced comfort features of its time, even if they feel simple by today's standards. There's a quiet charm in the way everything operates mechanically and smoothly, without digital interruptions or complex menus. It's just you, the car, and the road. When it comes to performance, the 1987 Cadillac Brougham is not about speed or aggression. It is powered by large displacement V8 engines typical of Cadillac's lineup during that era, designed more for smooth torque and effortless cruising than high-revving performance. The acceleration is steady and relaxed, delivering power in a calm wave rather than a sudden burst. This is the kind of car that prefers highways over tight city streets, where it can settle into its natural rhythm. The transmission shifts gently, almost imperceptibly, keeping the driving experience smooth and uninterrupted. The suspension is soft and comfort-oriented, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Even rough surfaces are filtered into a gentle glide, reinforcing that floating sensation that full-size Cadillacs are known for. Steering is light and relaxed, not designed for sharp cornering but for easy highway navigation and comfortable long drives. Fuel consumption, as expected from a vehicle of this size and era, is not its strongest point, but that was never the priority. This car was built in a time when comfort, presence, and ride quality mattered more than efficiency numbers. It delivers a driving experience that feels relaxed and unhurried, encouraging you to slow down and enjoy the journey rather than rush to your destination. In terms of pricing, the 1987 Cadillac Brougham today sits in a very interesting collector's space. When new, it was positioned as a premium luxury sedan, competing with other high-end American full-size cars. Today, depending on condition, mileage, originality, and interior preservation, prices can vary widely. Well-maintained examples with original olive green interiors and clean exterior paint can command higher value among collectors who appreciate period-correct luxury styling. Restored or low-mileage models tend to be more expensive, especially if they retain original parts and factory specifications. On the other hand, more worn examples can still be found at relatively accessible prices, making it an appealing entry point for classic car enthusiasts who want a taste of Cadillac's golden era without entering ultra-high collector territory. What makes this car particularly special in today's market is not just its age, but its identity. It represents a design philosophy that no longer exists in modern production vehicles. The combination of size, comfort, chrome detailing, and color-coordinated interiors like this olive green setup creates a nostalgic experience that cannot be replicated by modern luxury sedans. It's not just transportation, it's a rolling time capsule. As we wrap up the experience of the 1987 Cadillac Brougham in olive green, it becomes clear why this car still holds attention decades later. It's not about performance numbers or cutting-edge technology. It's about presence, comfort, and character. It's about presence, comfort, and character. It's about the feeling you get when you sit behind that large steering wheel and realize you're driving something built in an era when cars were designed to make every journey feel important. The olive green finish adds an extra layer of uniqueness, turning an already classic design into something even more memorable and rare. In a world where cars are becoming increasingly similar, this Cadillac stands as a reminder of a different automotive philosophy. One where luxury meant space, softness, chrome, and calm confidence. The 1987 Cadillac Brougham doesn't try to impress you with modern tricks. Instead, it wins you over with timeless presence, and that is exactly why it continues to be admired today. If you enjoyed this 1987 Cadillac Brougham in olive green, hit that like button. And if you're into classic cars like this, subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next one.